Hi friends, so this is a type C to USB adapter. So this is a type C port and this is a USB port. So in this adapter we can connect pen drive like this. Then we can connect this adapter to mobile phone. So we need to connect like this. Then go to settings, tap on settings, then go down and tap on additional settings, then go down. Here you can see OTG connections. So we need to enable this OTG connection option. When you enable it, it will automatically open file manager. In file manager you will be able to see files and folders from this pen drive. So let me enable OTG connection. Tap on OTG connection. Okay, pen drive has detected. It opened file manager. You can see file manager here. So in file manager, here you can see the USB pen drive. Tap on this OTG. Now you are seeing files and folders from this pen drive. Let me go to this folder, image folder. So these are some images. So let me open one image. I'm going to open this image. Then select the app, photos. So this way we can open images, videos and audio files from this pen drive. We can directly play video from pen drive. So suppose you want to copy some file from pen drive to mobile phone. So we can do that. So let me show that. So for example, I want to copy this image. Tap and hold. Image is selected. Now here you can see send, copy, move, delete. In more you can see compress, rename, details, open with. So let me copy this image. Tap on copy. So then you will get a window like this. In this window you will be able to see phone storage, then phone SD card storage. So right now there is no SD card in this phone, that is why it's not showing. So let me go to phone storage. So I am going to create a new folder here. Then tap on save. Then go to that folder. I am going to paste that image here. Tap on copy to here. Okay, now I have successfully copied this image from pen drive to phone storage. So let me verify that. Go back. Now I am in file manager. Here tap on phone storage, then open the folder which we created. Then here you can see the image, the copied image. We can open it. So this way we can copy images, videos and audio files from pen drive to mobile phone and mobile phone to pen drive. So if you want to remove this pen drive, don't remove it directly. It may damage your phone or pen drive. So there is a safe way to remove it. Again go to settings, go down and tap on additional settings. Here you can see storage. Tap on storage, then go down. Here you can see the pen drive, this pen drive. Tap on that and here you can see eject or unmount option. Tap on that, ejecting, done. So now it's safe to remove. Now we can remove this pen drive. We can remove this adapter. So this way we can connect pen drive to mobile phone using this type of adapter, and we can copy files from pen drive to mobile phone and mobile phone to pen drive.